Hey buddies, welcome to you on the Chatter Box. Today we are going to see about human eye. As you can see, this is the picture of the human eye. Conjunctiva, iris, lens, pupil, cornea, sclera, choroid, retina, macula, optic nerve, optic disc. Human eyes are specialized sense organ capable of receiving visual images which are then carried to the brain. The human eye works like a camera. At the front is the cornea and lens. They focus the images we see on the retina at the back of the eye. The retina detects the image like film in a camera and sends the information to the brain via the optic nerve. Humans have two eyes situated on the left and right of the face. The eyes sit in bony cavities called the orbits in the skull. In this picture, you can see the eye socket, also called orbit. Next, extraocular muscles. The eye has 6 muscles work together to move it. These muscles come from the eye socket and help move the eye up, down, side to side and rotate it. These are the extraocular muscles: superior rectus upward movement, lateral rectus outward movement, inferior oblique upward and outward movement, superior oblique downward and outward movement, medial rectus inward movement, inferior rectus downward movement. The eye is not shaped like a perfect sphere. Rather, it is fused two-piece unit composed of an anterior front segment and the posterior back segment. The anterior segment is made up of the cornea, iris and lens. The cornea is transparent and more curved, and it's linked to the larger posterior segment composed of the vitreous retina, choroid and the outer white shell called the sclera. Cornea. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that covers the iris, pupil and anterior chamber. Along with the anterior chamber and lens, the cornea refracts light, accounting for approximately 2/3 of the eye's total optical power. In humans, the refractive power of the cornea is approximately 43 diopters. The cornea can be reshaped by surgical procedures such as LASIK. This is the picture of the cornea. Sclera. The sclera is the white outer coating of the eye. It's tough, fibrous tissue that extends from the cornea, the clear front section of the eye, to the optic nerve at the back of the eye. The sclera gives the eye its white color. This is the picture of the sclera. The white outer coating is sclera. Iris. Iris is a thin pigmented structure found in the eye that can regulate the amount of light that can enter the retina. Also, it determines the eye color. Iris is presented in the anterior part of the eye lens. It controls the size and diameter of the pupil and thus regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The iris is usually strongly pigmented with the color typically ranging between brown, hazel, green, grey and blue. The quantity of melanin pigment in the iris is one factor in determining the eye color. DNA determines the color and structure of the iris, but its random pits furrows occur during fetal development, which makes every iris unique. Even your two iris don't match each other. Iris recognition is an automated method of biometric identification that uses mathematical pattern recognition techniques on videos, images of one or both of the irises of an individual eyes whose complex patterns are unique, stable, and can be seen from some distance. This is the picture of iris and its color. Pupil. The pupil is a hole located in the center of the iris of the eye that allows light to strike the retina. When you're in bright light, your pupil gets smaller. When the light is dim, your pupil gets bigger. This is the picture of iris and pupil. The center part is black part is called pupil. Lens is nearly a transparent biconvex structure suspended behind the iris of the eye. The main optical function of the lens is to transmit light, focusing it on the retina. The cornea contributes about 80% of total refraction, while the lens turns the focusing of light onto the retina. This is the picture of the lens focusing the image. Vitreous humor. The vitreous body is the clear gel that fills the space between the lens and the retina of the eyeball. As a person ages, becomes more liquid. Most eye floaters are caused by age related changes that occur as the jelly like substance inside your eyes liquefies and contracts. Scattered clumps of collagen fibers from within the vitreous and can cast tiny shadows on your retina. The shadows you see are called floaters. This is the gel-like picture of vitreous humor. Retina. The retina converts light that enters into your eyes to electrical signals your optic nerve sends to your brain, which creates the image you see. It's a key part of your vision. Rods are more numerous, located in the periphery of the eye and good for detecting light in general. Cones are concentrated near the fovea, responsible for color vision and able to adapt quickly to changes in light. The cone cells enable us to see the colors and make us distinguish between various colors. So, if rods are absent in retina, then person cannot see the object at night and causes night blindness. If cones are absent, it can cause decreased visual clarity, decreased color perception, and increased sensitivity to light. Photophobia. Person may suffer color blindness. This is the picture of retina. You can see cone cells and rod cells. In nutshell, we can see how does the human eye see the leaf object is focused on the retina by cornea and lens, but the image in retina is inverted, but brain can fuse the two inverted image from right and left eye image as one straight image. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to you on the Chatterbox. See you in the next video. Bye.